What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace these tailgate lift support struts quickly and easily, and it's going to be the same process on any trunk, hood, hatch, or even camper shell back glass. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get my new videos. All right, let's get to this one. Okay, so we've all been there when the trunk or hood has fallen and hit our head. Now these little support struts are like shocks and they do wear out over time. So maybe yours is falling or starting to sag or just not holding itself up. We're gonna go ahead and replace these out. And it's only gonna take a few minutes. So if you look right here, there's a little bracket that attaches to the car with 2 bolts and then 2 to the back hatch. Now before we remove this, we're gonna have to either have a friend hold up the hatch or the hood because it's really heavy without those supports, or just get yourself a stick or a pole and you're gonna wedge it underneath the back of the hatch. There we go, that's not going anywhere. Okay, so these are 10mm size and all you need is a ratchet and socket for these. I'm gonna be using power though. And it's always best to replace these in pairs. Now if we look at the old one right here, it has a bracket that's kind of pressed onto the end of the strut. So you want to make sure when you get these replacement ones that you get the ones with the bracket included. I accidentally got the wrong ones apparently, as these ones don't have the bracket. These ones just kind of snap on the end of the ball. But never fear, I have a solution. We're gonna have to cut this off the ball. I'll go ahead and put links down in the description for these and the tools and supplies I'm using for you guys. So I just cut a slit very carefully in the middle, not to go too deep though, and hit the ball, and then just take our screwdriver. Should be able to pry the end off now. There you go. So see, there's the little ball. So if yours came with the brackets pre-attached, you're just gonna go ahead and reinstall the same way, but I'm gonna show you guys if they didn't have them. Sometimes you have to remove them and put them on just on the ball. I'll show you guys how to do both of those. Make sure these are good and tight. There we go. If you've got brackets, take note of which one's which. Sometimes they have a little arrow like that on this car. That means the arrow is going to be pointed in towards the inside of the car. Now we'll take our new strut, and remember how it was orientated. The thinner part was up towards the end of the hatch. And then we're simply going to slip this edge over the ball and press it on, and it should snap right on. Just like that. And then twist the rod till it matches up with the other ball and snap that one on. Should be able to remove our stick hopefully, and it should support itself. We'll see. Oh yeah, that thing is super powerful compared to what it was. Look, it actually opens on its own now. Before I used to have to pull it and lift it up. Now let me show you guys how you remove these if you didn't have the brackets and you just remove the struts on yours. In that case, you're gonna see a little clip that goes across the end of the strut, and you just take a little flathead screwdriver. So you just pry down and it'll move that clip, and then you can remove the ball just like that. Go and put it back now. Make sure it's locked on there. Alright guys, and that is how to replace those lift support struts. Hopefully you found something in this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself guys. Take care.